Welcome back. Next, electromagnetic waves is infrared rays. Infrared rays are discovered by William Herschel. Name of the scientist William Herschel discovered infrared rays. Now see what are the sources of infrared rays. All hot bodies emits infrared rays. Any hot body. 60% of solar radiations are infrared in nature because the solar radiations are emits heat as well as light. 60% of solar radiations are in the form of infrared rays. Means basic source of infrared rays are all hot bodies. Any hot bodies emits infrared rays, and 60% of solar radiations are infrared in nature. What are the properties of infrared rays? When infrared rays are incident on any object or any body, the object will be get heated. When any object is exposed with the infrared rays, the object will be get heated. These rays are strongly absorbed by the glass. These rays are strongly absorbed by the glass. Next property. And third property, they can penetrate through thick columns of fog, mist and cloud cover. These are the important properties of infrared rays. What are the use of infrared rays? Infrared rays are used remote sensing. These rays are used for remote sensing. These rays are used for solar water heater and cookers, because the important property of infrared rays is when infrared rays are incident on any object, it will get heated, and it is beneficial for cooking instruments. Therefore, they are used in solar cookers, solar water heaters and solar cookers. They are also used in remote control of TV and VCR. We are very much familiar with the remote control of TV, VCR and so on. In this case, the electromagnetic waves are infrared rays. They are also used in the infrared binoculars and thermal imaging cameras for night vision. We know that our cameras are used in light only, but this infrared binoculars and infrared thermal imaging cameras are useful in the dark, useful in the darkness also. Special infrared photographs of body called thermograms, and by using the thermograms we can study the some parts of human body. They are also used in treatment of infantile paralysis. They are used in the diagnosis of superficial tumors and vascular veins. Varicose veins. Varicose veins. They are also used to keep the greenhouse warm. Next, and very important electromagnetic wave is visible light. Why it is known as visible light? They are visible to the human eyes. We can easily detect with the help of our eyes. Sources. What are the source of visible light? Atomic excitation is the basic source of visible light. Means when excited atoms in excited atom, when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, it emits electromagnetic radiations, and particular type of emission emits visible light. Therefore, atomic excitation is the basic source of visible light. Properties of the visible light. We know that visible light consists of different colors, and these different colors are due to the different wavelengths of these radiations. For example, red color, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are the components of visible lights. And these visible lights, the color of the visible lights, it depends upon the wavelength. And they are the most important properties, they are visible to the human eyes. See wavelength of different colors of the visible light. The violet color having 380 to 450 nanometer, it means that 3800 to 4500 angstrom unit. Blue color, the wavelength of blue color is 450 nanometer to 495 nanometer. It means 4500 to 4950 angstrom unit. Similarly, green color 495 to 570 nanometer, and in angstrom unit wavelength is 4950 to 5700 angstrom unit. उसके बाद येलो कलर है, ऑरेंज कलर है, रेड कलर है. अगर अपने को पूछा जाए एग्ज़ाम में विजिबल लाइट में सबसे ज़्यादा वेवलेंथ कौन से कलर की है, विच कलर ऑफ विजिबल लाइट हैविंग द मैक्सिमम वेवलेंथ, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि रेड कलर की वेवलेंथ सबसे ज़्यादा है. और सबसे कम वेवलेंथ कौन से कलर की है, अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है तो वी कैन से दैट द वायलेट लाइट, एज पर एज विजिबल लाइट इज कंसर्न, वायलेट लाइट की वेवलेंथ सबसे कम है. उसके बाद ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज एंड सबसे ज़्यादा है रेड. अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी के बारे में अगर क्वेश्चन आया तो हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन से कलर की है इन केस ऑफ विजिबल लाइट. जिसकी वेवलेंथ कम है उसकी वेवलेंथ ज़्यादा रहने वाली है. देयरफॉर द वायलेट कलर हैविंग द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी इन द विजिबल रीजन and red color having the lowest frequency in the visible region. Now ये ध्यान में रखो कि ये सीक्वेंस अगर आपको ध्यान में आया तो अपन बोल सकते हैं कि किसकी वेवलेंथ ज़्यादा है, कौन सी इसकी कम है, और कौन सी की फ्रीक्वेंसी ज़्यादा है और कौन सी कलर की कम है. Now note that visible light is just the part of the very small part of the electromagnetic spectrum, and that we can see. Many animals including insects and birds are see in the ultraviolet region also. We can't see the ultraviolet region radiations in the ultraviolet radiations, but some birds, insects can see the ultraviolet region radiations. Thank you.